So where the bars for RPAS comes from is the standard is what we call an industry standard. And then we looked at the resource sector and the foundation, through what we call the Technical Advisory Committee, sort of said, all right, what are the risks that you're really looking at? Now, the BARS one is based on risk. The R in BARS, Basic Aviation Risk Standard. So it's based on that. Whereas what Ed was talking about before is compliance with the national regulations framework. And there is a difference. There's a lot of overlap, but there are some subtle differences and things like that. But what the resource sector came back with was these material risks. What's really keeping them awake at night, and what do they want to manage? And things like quite clearly one, a drone or an RPAS impacting an individual, operations with an RPAS where it might intersect with helicopter or fixed wing operations, and there's been a couple of cases like that already on the books. BV loss operations, departing the flight plan and ends up in the spot that they don't want it to do, all the way down, and even to the very last one there, the reputational risk for a resource sector organisation if something goes wrong. And we've all seen what happens to the resource sector and how they're very sensitive to reputational risk. So they're the sort of driving factors that come behind where the BAR standard for RPAS operations came from.